After spending few days in LA, it was time to move on. The plan was to go to the north, follow legendary Pacific coast known for its beautiful views, and visit San Francisco. The weather completely changed when we left Los Angeles. Thick clouds were almost touching the ground and visibility was limited. Next kilometers were passing by, but the clouds didn't leave us. We started losing a hope that we will see what this road is known for. The sky began to clear at the end of the day. While watching amazing sunset, we started to think that the next day will be better and we will see the beauty of Pacific West Coast. And it was true. We didn't know what to expect from San Francisco. Of course, we had a list of things we wanted to do there, but I can't say we had a plan. When we finally arrived there, we felt like we were in less crowded and more hilly Los Angeles. It was a first sign that we must change the surroundings. When we were cruising around Silicon Valley, strolling around Stanford University and downtown, we started to talk about our plans. Unpleasant strong wind with clouds that caught up with us pushed us to shorten our stay in San Francisco. We made a decision to escape from the city and head even more to the north for the nature and sun. But this is a part of another story.